So what actually happens if AI goes wrong? Here are a few examples. You may have heard or seen some of these. This one in particular is interesting. Someone was actually able to prompt engineer a chatbot for a Chevy dealership, and they were able to buy a Chevy for $1. Does it really happen that way in the grand scheme of things? It doesn't with every chatbot, but it's a very real risk. There are other examples. I think Alaska Airlines had this issue where its chatbot gave some advice about baggage being free. And then I think they were sued and they had to acknowledge it. Sort of really unfortunate side of this on that end of spectrum. There's a company called Character.AI, which from what I understand is getting sued now because their Character.AI actually convinced somebody to end their life. So very two ends of spectrum here in terms of the risk and exposure. You do run that very legitimate risk, especially if you have a public or a partner facing chatbot. And this is even a bigger risk for regulated sector customers. We do a lot of work with financial services, healthcare, insurance, similar sectors, and they're very worried about what their chatbot is going to say. How can they make sure that there is diligence, enough guardrails, both to prevent accidents and also to deal with malicious intent.